Now you see me standing in the place, but you never saw my sacrifice. All the nights I had to struggle to survive. Had to lose it all to win the fight. I had to fall so many times. Oh, now the last one standing.
To my mama, one day we gon' be fine. You ain't gotta worry about the bills being behind. Cause two niggas off this year, I'm gon' be fine. Yeah, nigga, 2022 this year is mine. I'm cutting niggas off, left to right, bitch, it's my time. I tell mama, me and her, we gon' ball and be fine. I swear I'ma put on for my sisters and my brothers when it's time. And if they play with us, they gon' get hit with this 9. I ain't gotta say it, you can hear the pain in my voice. Do what I want in my life, nigga, that is my choice. And I ain't beefing with no eyes, boy, y'all all little boys. We play with real guns, all you niggas play with is toys, bitch. And y'all can't beat me if y'all never met me. And all y'all niggas scary. I bet you catch a bullet like your fucking name was Travis Kelce. My guns ain't never jammed, cause all my guns is fucking healthy. And I thought you was my brother, let's not stand there, ain't one fucking help. Mom just told me, do what you gotta do, big bro, you gon' be great. And life is just like a fucking maze, bitch, you can't escape. To shoot that nigga legs off, cause that pussy run away. And any means necessary when you tryna get that cake. Mama say don't trust you, I know your bitch ass was fake. And don't trust your friends if they ain't tryna feed your plate. To my mama, one day we gon' be fine. You ain't gotta worry about the bills being behind. Cause two niggas off this year, I'm gon' be fine. Yeah, nigga, 2022 this year is mine. I'm cutting niggas off, left to right, bitch, it's my time. I tell mama, me and her, we gon' ball and be fine. I swear I'ma put on for my sisters and my brothers when it's time. And if they play with us, they gon' get hit with this 9. If I ain't making out today, I'll probably make it out tomorrow. And even if I don't, I might drown in my fucking sorrow. I ain't tryna solve all my fucking problems, drinking out that bottle. Stayed out till you come up and I'm sticking to that fucking motto. Sorry for cussing in the song, mama, I know I was so deep. I never knew I was gonna express my feelings on the fucking beat. Ain't tryna be like one of these young niggas dying on the street. It got so bad to the point where I even wanted my own heat. Sometimes you gotta laugh to stop from crying. If I'm lying, then I'm flying. I know it don't seem like it, but a nigga always trying. I be having mood swings, sometimes I'm laughing, then I'm crying. Bitch, that all that capping, you a spoon fed, bitch, stop that lying. It's not something to be proud about, something I'm quiet about. Wanna do so much, but I can't. Only thing I do is walk it out. Sunshine after rainy days. Sometimes take this pen away. I don't like the pity, so don't ask if a nigga okay.